Most modern ranges come with self-cleaning ovens. To self-clean, there is the clean, self, and steam button. You press it, you have a choice of self-clean 3 to 5 hours or steam clean, that's where you put the water in it for 30 minutes. Unfortunately, they don't come with self-cleaning cooktops. These can be an even greater challenge for those of you with natural gas stovetops. In today's video, we're going to be looking at electric ranges with the smooth ceramic glass tops. After some use, and even with soap and water wiping down, you'll get streaks and marks on your control surfaces and the cooking top. How do we clean it? Hope I'm saying this right. Cerama Bryte is the product that you're going to need. Simply shake and squirt on almost like a car wax. Don't forget to get the control surfaces. Then you simply rub it in with a nice dry, clean cloth. Paper towel will do just fine. And if you've ever waxed a car, then you know the concept is simple. Spirals, get all the surfaces, let it dry to a haze. Don't forget to lock your control panel. Otherwise, when you do this, you'll activate all the burners. We are locked, which is why you hear those tones. Then we let it dry to a haze. After a few minutes, get another clean, dry cloth. And now, using a spiral motion, we are going to remove the haze and leave behind a mirror-like finish. Make sure to turn the cloth over so that you're always using nice, clean material to get this off. After the surface is buffed, it should look like a mirror. How often do you need to do this? As often as you'd like to see this kind of mirrored look. Soap and water will clean up most spills. Anything that sticks, that's sort of cooked in, which will only be in the burner areas as nothing out here gets hot, that you get a flat metal blade. You can scrape it off. But regular soap and water will clean the surface, and then use this to do the final polishing. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you so much for watching.